How to make medu vada. Crispy, airy medu vada just in minutes using ready-made batter and simple tea strainer trick. I am making medu vada with batter I brought from a local vendor. Let's get started. The ingredients we'll need for this recipe are medu vada batter, salt, cumin seeds, that is jeera, chopped green chillies, finely chopped coriander, oil, and water. Let's get started. Add the batter into a bowl. Don't add water now. If it feels too thick, let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes outside, and if it is still thick, then just add a splash of water and mix this. This mixing adds aeration, so mix it well for 5 to 10 minutes. Now add salt, cumin seeds, chopped green chillies, and finely chopped coriander. And mix well. Once everything is mixed well, the batter is ready. To shape the vadas, we will take a bowl of water and a steel tea strainer. We will heat the oil for deep frying on medium heat. Keep the flame steady. Dip the strainer in the water. Tap off the excess water on the bowl so the oil won't splatter. Wet your hands and take some batter and place it on the strainer. Shape it into a circle and make a hole into the center for the classic medu vada look. Then gently flip the strainer over the pan and let the vada slide into the oil. Repeat and add more vadas. Cook on low flame for 5 to 6 minutes so they get cooked from inside. Now increase the flame to medium to high for 15 to 20 seconds to get the golden crust. Flip and cook to the other side on the low flame just as we cooked on the other side. 5 to 6 minutes on low flame and then 15 to 20 seconds on high flame. Once the vada is golden brown from both the sides, it is ready. Remove onto a tissue paper to absorb extra oil. Crispy medu vada are ready. Do try this method and enjoy that perfect crunch. Serve hot with coconut chutney. The link to coconut chutney is in the description. Do check out the video. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more tasty and easy recipes. See you in the next one. Bye.